Are you tired of struggling with graphic design and spending hours creating mediocre visuals? I was too, until I discovered this incredible AI design tool that has revolutionized my content creation process. So in this video, I'll share you my experience with this powerful tool and how it's helped me produce stunning visuals that have skyrocketed my engagement and sales. So here's the actual AI tool that I'm talking about. It's called Napkin AI. You can see right here that it's actually beta right now, but you can head over and then use it for now and see its pros and cons yourself. So now let's proceed with this. Let's click onto this Get Napkin Free. Now for this one, we just need to head over and then sign in. But if you have already an account, you can head over and sign in. However, if you don't have it yet, you can head over and then sign up. So as you can see here with this, just choose in here which one. It can be with Google or with email. For this one, I'll just head over and then use email for this. Let me just click onto my email right here. And then once it's done, just click on continue option and then just wait for it to be logged in or processed. So just wait for this right here. So from in there, just head over and then answer these options right here. For example, let's just in here for work. Click on next and just put in here how big your company and click on next. What kind of work you do. For example, for this one, let's choose in here the sales option and click on next. And then just answer in here this one. What are you planning to use your napkin visuals? I'll help her and use presentation as well as some of these options right here. Click on submit and then click on done. And then click onto this create my first napkin. Now, you can head over and create your napkin by pasting your text content or generating text using AI. So for this one, let's head over and then use an actual text from a particular website. So I asked ChatGPT to provide me the text of a step-by-step of changing my name on Facebook. So what we can do right here is just need to head over and then copy the steps that has been given to us right here. Just right click on it, then click on copy. And then once it's done, head over again to your Napkin AI and click onto this by pasting my content. Now just pasting here your content, you can click on the Control V on your keyboard, or you can also head over and then right click and then click onto the paste option that will appear right here. For this one, let me just Control V, and then as you can see, it's now added. So it will actually automatically detect it. So you can head over and then name it. For example, let's name it Change Name on Facebook. Now, once you have done this, next thing you need to do is to just click onto this generate visual option. Click on this, and then this will scan the text that you have added. So do take note that it may take some time for it, and you can just scroll down, and in here you can see the actual visual it has created. So let me just zoom this out in order to show you the whole thing. You can also choose in here the styles that you can use. For example, if you choose this one, you can see in here the step by step, or you can also use in here a pie chart and also something like this with arrows. And you can also choose in here this with visuals and also the likes for this one. So I particularly like this. So I'll just click on that and just choose in here the style that you want. For example, I'll head over and then choose in here this style, and then once I have done that, we can now see in here the image. So as you can see, we have in here the saving option. If you want to download it, you can head over and then click onto this export option. Then click onto this download option. You can choose PNG and as well as other formats from there. So as you can see, it's now been downloaded. So you can head over and open it and then preview it into your actual computer. Now, I know how frustrating it is when you create the content and it doesn't resonate or the audience doesn't engage with the content that you have created. So, the role of engagement is actually the driving factor of any business success. So, any business success is also represented by a visually appealing content. So, you need to make your actual content visually appealing in order for people to engage to it. You need to utilize some factors as well as some strategies in order to make this work. So Napkin AI can help you with that because as you can see, I only inputted this text right here, but it has given us this colorful, very creative visual. So this can actually increase engagement and convert casual visitors into customers. So since we're talking about a tutorial right here, I'll show you another tutorial of utilizing it for your business. So you can head over and transfer blog posts into engaging content with infographics and graphics. For this one, let's head over and then choose another blog post. So you have in here this article. Let's head over and then get it or copy it all together. So let me just copy this, right click and click on copy. Once you have done that, head over right here again to your napkin AI. Then click onto this new napkin option and click onto this blank napkin. Now this will create a napkin for you. For this one, let me just paste in here what we have copied. So this is a blog. It can be any blog for your business or the likes for that one. So for example, if you have a blog on your business, you can head over and then just put it right here and you can see it all together. So as you can see, it's divided into parts. You can head over and click onto this sort of a thunder icon. Click onto this one. And then as you can see, this will generate visual per section. So I recommend you to generate visual per section because this could actually enhance the number of visuals that has been added into your blog and it will make it not so boring anymore. So here's some suggestions of those visuals that you can utilize. So we have in here this. So since we're talking about a timeline, we can head over and use in here this evolution of the likes. Click onto this right here and let's choose the style for that. Now you can just continue doing that into certain parts of your blog. Just head over and click on it and click onto this generate visuals again and it will generate it in 2 seconds for this one. Just wait for this and you should be able to see it right around here already. So once you're done with everything, just head over and then just export it all together. Just go over and then click onto that particular part and click onto this download button in order to export it. As you can see right now, we have now in here this appealing infographics. So next thing is you can actually utilize Napkin AI for ebooks and lead magnets. So for example, we can improve the readability and engagement of ebooks and lead magnets using this one. To do that, click on this new napkin and then click on the blank napkin again. Now, while it's creating, let's head over to the ebook that we'll be actually creating. We have in here this ebook. Now, let me just head over and then just copy this part right here. Then right click on it and click on copy. Once you have done that, head back right here to your napkin AI. So it can be any text for this one. It can be the whole text or just part of the text. Then from in there, just paste it right here. So we have in here this. So let's put that right here. And then from in there, just locate or hover to that particular paragraph and then click onto this generate visuals again. So this will create actual lead magnet for you using this part of the ebook. So just wait for this to continue the loading process and generating process for this one. So you can head over and then choose in here which one you want to actually use or utilize. For this one, I'll head over and then use this. And then I'll just choose in here this template or style. So once I click on that, it will be added. Now, did you know that you can actually use it on Canva? Yes, you do. So let's head over and utilize that. Now into your Canva, you can head over and then choose in here which template you want. So I'm looking to create an infographic, so I'll just click on this more option right here and then search in here for infographic, portrait, or format. Now here's the infographic. And then once I have done that, I just need to head over right here to our Napkin AI. Then click onto this one that we have copied and then click onto this download or export button. So let us export this. You can choose PNG, SVG, PDF, and choose in here which one you want. For example, for this, I'll choose dark mode and I'll just utilize this one. Click onto this download option. And then while it's downloading, let's head back again to our Canva. And then let's design this particular page. Let's apply in here a color. So I'll just input right here, sort of a black color or something like this one. Now, while that's utilized, next thing we need to do now is to head over and then utilize other options or other options as well. For this one, let's head over to the upload option and click onto this upload files. And while we're here, next thing we need to do is to head over to downloads and click on open right here. And then from in there, this will upload the visual that we have earlier. Click on this, and as you can see here, it is. So as you can see here, some fault for this because you can see that we have this black thing. You can head over and click on this video remover in order to utilize that. And then once you have done that, this should be able to remove the black thing that we have in here. Just wait for this for a few seconds, but you can also utilize it as is right here and then just add it into your presentation or infographic that you're looking to create. Now, before report, I will give you some tips. I recommend you just use the number of points in Napkin AI to a minimum of 3 to 4 points for optimal results. I only have in here this short thing. That's why I was able to create this stunning one. So I also suggest you to use ChatGPT to break down articles into smaller, more manageable sections for Napkin AI, but it can also automatically break it down themselves. I also want to emphasize the importance of creating visually content that reflects your brand because it actually gets some engagement through that way. So that's all for today. And if you're looking to take your content creation to the next level and create visually stunning graphics without any design experience, then this Napkin AI design tool is for you. I've included a link to a free resource in the description below that will help you to get started with this tool and unlock its full potential. So click on the link below and start creating amazing visuals today. If you like this video, you can head over and then like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. You can also check out our other playlists into our channel if you want to learn more about content creation, marketing, and AI tools. Hope to see you on the next video.